Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vin Virtuosa. I'm Haley, and today we're raising a glass to Global Drink Wine Day. It's February 18th, a day dedicated to celebrating all things wine. Its ability to connect people, enhance meals, and inspire exploration. To make this day extra special, I've chosen the Tardieu-Laurent Tavel Vieilles Vignes 2023. And this isn't just any rosé. It's bold, complex, and one of the only rosés designed to age. It's perfect for a celebration like this. Tavel is a unique wine region in France's southern Rhône Valley, known exclusively for producing rosé. It's often called the king of rosés, and after one sip, you'll see why. So let's dive into what makes this wine so special. First, let's talk about Tavel. Unlike most rosés, Tavel is all about richness and structure. It's crafted from old vines or Vieilles Vignes, which produce concentrated grapes full of flavor. The 2023 vintage of Tardieu-Laurent is a beautiful example of what Tavel has to offer. The color alone sets it apart. This deep salmon hue hints at the boldness and complexity you're about to experience. And it's not just a pretty wine, it's versatile, food-friendly, and has the unique ability to age for several years. Now, on to my favorite part. Let's taste. I'm going to walk you through the 5 steps of wine tasting. See, swirl, sniff, sip, and savor. So first, we're going to see the wine. We're gonna take a look at it. So holding the glass up to the light, you can see how vibrant and rich this rosé is. The deep salmon color is one of Tavel's signatures and a clue to its bold personality. So on to the next step, time to swirl the wine. So swirling the wine does a couple of things. One, it brings all the aromatics to the surface for when we sniff. And also as you swirl the wine, you can notice the legs or the streaks that form on the glass. This hints at the wine's body and alcohol content, which is slightly higher than most rosés. And now, for my next favorite part, time to sip. So I'm going to give it a swirl again. I always like to swirl again before I sip. It just becomes a habit. So let's go for it. Wow. On the palate, it's full-bodied and velvety with vibrant acidity that balances its richness. The red fruit flavors dominate at first, but then you get a subtle bit of spice and a lovely lingering finish. I still feel it warm in the back of my throat. And you know, what I love most about Tavel is how it delivers so much depth. It's bold, yet balanced, making it a standout among rosés. Tavel's versatility makes it a dream to pair with food. Here are a few ideas to inspire your next meal. For something savory, try a spinach and goat cheese quiche or grilled salmon. Tavel's acidity cuts through rich, creamy dishes and complements savory flavors beautifully. For something sweet, think berry-based desserts like a compote or fruit tart. The wine's red fruit notes echo these flavors and add a touch of elegance to dessert. And by the way, I'll be sharing recipes for these food pairings soon on my blog and YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Global Drink Wine Day is your chance to celebrate all things wine. And here are a few ways you can make the most of it. Try hosting a tasting with friends and explore unique wines like Tavel Rosé. Pair wine with a meal. It elevates even the simplest dishes. And step outside of your comfort zone and try a varietal you've never tasted before. And don't forget to share your celebration online with the hashtags Drink Wine Day and Global Wine Day. And tag me. I'd love to see what you're sipping on. Thank you so much for joining me in celebrating Global Drink Wine Day. Whether you're sipping on a bold rosé like this Tavel, a crisp white, or a rich red, today is about savoring wine and the joy it brings to our lives. As Andre Simon said, wine makes every meal an occasion, every table more elegant, and every day more civilized. Cheers to that and to all of you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wine inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.